Hello guys, in this lesson I'm going to be showing you a technique known as sidestepping, which is kind of a reharmonization technique for 2/5 sequences, and the basic principle behind it is that we're going to be inserting a different 2/5 in front of our original 2/5 just to add some harmonic interest and movement. So this is useful for when you've got a 2/5 where each chord lasts for a whole bar. So there's a few different ways of doing this. So let's say we're playing over a 2/5, we'll do a 2/5-1 in C. So playing something like this. Or something. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in a 2/5 a whole step above. So this is just one way to do it. I'll show you some others as well. So a whole step above. So that's going to be E minor 7 and then A7. And now each chord is just going to be half a bar each. So we'll have something like this. So we've gone from to so it just adds a bit of extra movement and harmonic interest. So another way we can do this is by a half step, either up or down. So we'll try half step up first. So that's going to be E flat minor 7 to A flat 7. And then we can do it half step down as well. So that's going to be D flat minor 7 to G flat 7. And one other one that also works quite well is going down by a major third. So in that case that's going to be B flat minor 7 to E flat 7. So that'll sound like that. So yeah, there's a few different ways that you can do this, and yeah, it's a pretty simple technique for just whenever you've got a tune that's got a 2/5 that where each chord lasts for a whole bar, you can just throw in an extra 2/5 before that, just to yeah, just for a bit of variety and create a bit more dynamic. So that's all it is for this lesson. I hope it was helpful, and thanks very much for watching. Cheers.